In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add environment secrets in Netlify. To get started, log into your Netlify app dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your sites, deployments, and project settings. If you work with multiple teams or multiple websites, just make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing so you update the right project. Once you're on the dashboard, select the project where you want to add the environment secret. After opening the project, navigate to Project Configuration and then go to Environment Variables. This is the section where Netlify stores configuration values that your site or application can use during builds and runtime, depending on your setup. When you're in the Environment Variables area, click Add a Variable. From the options that appear, choose Add a Single Variable. This is the best choice when you only need to add one secret at a time, and it gives you full control over how that variable is configured. Next, enter the variable's key and value. The key is the name your application will look for, and the value is the secret itself. Be careful here, because the key usually needs to match exactly what your app expects. Even a small typo can prevent the variable from working correctly. Also, make sure you paste the value carefully so there are no extra spaces or missing characters. After that, check the box labeled Contains Secret Values. This is an important step because it marks the variable as a secret and activates Netlify's secrets controller. In simple terms, this helps Netlify treat that value with more protection than a regular environment variable, which is especially useful for sensitive credentials or private tokens. Now choose your desired scopes and deploy contexts. This determines where the variable will be available. For example, you may want it to apply only during production deployments, or you may want it available more broadly depending on your workflow. Take a moment here to choose the settings that match your project because this controls when and where the secret can be used. Once everything looks correct, click Create Variable. Netlify will save the secret and add it to your project's environment variable list. At that point, your environment secret has been added successfully. As a final tip, if your site is already deployed, you may need to trigger a new deploy so the updated variable is picked up by your application. And that's it. You now know how to add environment secrets in Netlify.